I'm just waiting for a green light on the traffic lights to do the gates. Okay, those lights are going red. And well, they should do. I don't know. Depends on where they caught it in the sequence. Yeah, there's the green. They all have two people. They really all have two people doing the gates.
One on each one?
Oh no, one do the main gates and one do the pedestrian gates. He's doing the pedestrian gates as he does the main gates, if you notice.
Got your platform ticket.
Shut. There you go. Shut both pedestrian
I'll
gates.
go down there. The train's going to come down here. Go down there.
Now the other main gate.
It's going to come that side. You put it in the front.
3, 2, 1. Locked up. There you go.
And then we're going to get a green flag. Lamp's already been changed over. Right, now are they going to reopen the road gates again? Or are they? No, they're just going to go straight to it, aren't they? Someone on the... Is he going to do the yard point, or are they just go?
No, it's going... Are the crew going to do it?
The crew are obviously going to have to do it, because he's not going to get there in enough in time, is he? Or is he? He's getting green flag out again, so yeah, they're coming straight back. There comes a crew member down. But they've got to unlock the points from the hoe train, though, haven't they?
Which points?
The points there. No.
No, once they've done that, then they will.
Oh, yeah, they just checked it, now they can go back in. The green flag again.
Time for another whistle.
Yeah, whistle as soon as when they're ready to acknowledge the flag. There you go. Now he can roll that up.
Unless he's got to do the points afterwards.
Oh, possibly, yeah. He's probably maybe gone over there to lock the points for the hoe when the hoe comes in.
Black steam, isn't it?
No, smoke.
Smoke.
So yeah, he's now going to clamp the points for the hoe train.
Yeah.
They'll reopen the crossing before then, though.
When's it due? In about 15 minutes?
I don't know. There's an orange guy waiting up on the next crossing up.
So did they get me to close that one?
Yeah. Yeah, he's actually clamping them now. There you go. There you go, the gate. So we'll do the road gates first, then we'll do the pedestrian gates afterwards.
Yeah.
Because we've got to get they want to get the road open again. So, and then I can still see the light. It's on the roadside, and there you go, green light's gone out. So now traffic have now got right away over the crossing when the traffic lights go green. And they're just doing the pedestrian gates. No, they're not. There's the hoe train. Thanks guys, this video.